Okay guys, we already finished wrapping this board. Now it looks amazing. We installed 3N matte black and some lines of gray matte. It looks amazing. And now we're ready to install the window tint. We're going to install 5% Limo tint, and it's a carbon based film, so it's really optical. It's one of the best on the market and it's called Solar Platinum. Let's do this. Okay, so as you can see, we already installed the 5% Limo tint. It's a carbon based material. That's why it looks so clear, but at the same time it looks amazing. Just look how dark is it when the UV rays shine to the windows, and plus you'll have 99% of UV reaction, so it won't damage that much the leather on the seats, the dashboard, and just look how clear is it. It's really optical. It's impressive. It's really impressive how optical it looks. Amazing. You can always buy the film at our website sdpowercustoms.com. And remember, it's a carbon-based material. It's not a material that you will see on the market or something. It's a carbon-based. It's not dial anymore. It's carbon. Life warranty. SD Power Customs.